Hi everyone, today I would like to talk about my daily routine and my family. Let's begin. As I am a morning person, I wake up around 5 am. Then I freshen up and head to the kitchen to prepare breakfast and lunch boxes for my husband and daughter. While cooking, I serve the breakfast to my daughter and pack her lunch box. And after that, we go downstairs. I see her off to the main gate. Once she leaves, I come back, wash my hands and feet, then again head to the kitchen and finish my husband's lunch box. And I also enjoy a cup of tea with him. Once he leaves for the office, I complete all the household chores. Later, I take a hot shower, pray, and do some yoga and meditation for around half an hour. Subsequently, I sit down to practice. Sometimes I take sessions with tutors, other times I practice by myself or edit my videos. In between, I make a cup of tea for myself and I enjoy it. Around noon, I cook lunch, and once my daughter comes from school, we have our lunch while watching some TV shows. Later, we take a short power nap of around an hour, and around 4 p.m. we have our snacks and tea together, and 4:30 I accompany her to her classes, and then I come back and try to utilize that time, either practice English or I complete other tasks. By 6 p.m., when she returns from her class, I go into the kitchen and prepare dinner. And between 8 to 8:30, we eat our dinner together, and we also spend some quality time and chit chat. Then I wash the dishes, complete other household chores as well as kitchen work, and even I prepare for the morning like chopping vegetables, making the dough, and soaking the almonds. And finally, at 10 to 10:30 p.m., we go to bed. Before going to bed, I pray and thank God for the entire day. This is my daily routine. I usually follow this, but I do some changes according to the time and situations. Now, coming to the family. There are three members in my immediate family: my husband, my daughter, and me. Yes, I have a joint family, including my in laws, my two brothers in law, and sisters in law, and their son. But as I live in Mumbai, sometimes it's really difficult to live in one apartment together. And sometimes for job commitment, also, we live separately. But I truly believe that love and affection is more important than just living together. And I'm really very grateful to God to have such a wonderful family in my life. Family is a place where we can share our happiness, our sorrow, our emotions, feelings to everyone without any fear and hesitation. And we find a peace of mind that is extremely important. And I feel that I am the luckiest person to find such a great family in my life. Thank you. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Humming Space. Thank you for watching.